Hello my dear students, I am going to solve question number 9 of exercise 2A, chapter compound interest. A sum of 9,600 is deposited for 3 years. The rate of interest is 10% per annum compounded annually. So principal is 9,600. Rate is 10% per annum. Compounded annually. Time is 3 years. In the first part we have to find, the question says that what is the sum due at the end of first year? Don't get confused by the word sum. It is written sum due at the end of first year. Means we are asked to find the amount at the end of 1 year. So let us first have the interest. So for first year, the principal is 9,600 and the interest we can calculate by the formula P into R into T upon 100. 9,600 into 10 into 1 upon 100, which comes as 960. So 960 is the compound interest, or you can say simple interest of first year or 1 year. Therefore amount at the end of 1 year will be 9,600 plus 960. 9,600 plus 960, which comes as 10,560. So this is the answer of the first part. Now the second part. What is the sum due at the end of second year? Sum due at the end of second year means same thing. Amount at the end of second year. So right here second year. As I told you that the amount at the end of 1 year becomes the principal for the second year. So principal is 10,560. Compound interest on it is 10,560 into 10 into 1 upon 100, which comes as 1,056. So 1,056 is the compound interest of second year. Therefore amount at the end of second year will be 10,560 plus 1,056. 10,560 plus 1,056, which becomes 11,616. So this is the answer of the second part, means the sum due at the end of second year. Now third part. In third part we have to find the compound interest earned in the first 2 years. Compound interest in 2 years. So we can add the interest of first year and the interest of second year. I mean 960 plus 1,056 we can add to find the compound interest in the first 2 years, which comes as 2016. The question has one more part. And that is find the compound interest at the end of 3 years. Compound interest at the end of 3 years. So for third year, the principal will be 11,616. Interest for third year will be 11,616 into 10 into 1 upon 100, which comes as 161.60. So interest of third year will be 1161.60 rupees. Therefore, the compound interest in 3 years, this is the interest of third year. Compound interest in 3 years can be obtained by adding the compound interest in first 2 years and the compound interest of third year. So 2016 plus 1161.60, which comes as 3177.60 rupees. Answer. So compound interest in 3 years will be 3177.60. Now let us consider another question. Question number 12. Find the amount and the compound interest on 16,000. Principal is 16,000. The time is 1/2 years. Rate is 10% per annum, but compounded semi-annually. Compounded semi-annually means after every 6 months the interest is paid. So I think you know that there will be 3 6 months in 1.5 years. Therefore, 3 times the interest will be paid or will be calculated. So let us find out for first half year. Interest 16,000 into 10 into 1/2 upon 100. 16,000 into 10 into 1/2 upon 100, which comes as 800. So this 800 is the interest of first 6 months or of first half year. Therefore, amount at the end of first half year will be 16,000 plus 800, 16,800. Now second half year, as I told you that in 1.5 year there will be 3 half years. So we need to find the interest 3 times. This is first one. Now second year, second half year. Principal will be 16,800. Interest on this is 16,800 into 10 into 1/2 upon 100. 16,800 into 10 into 1/2 upon 100, which comes as 840. Therefore, amount at the end of second half year will be 16,800 plus 840, which comes as 17,640. 17,640. So for last half year, principal will be 17,640. Interest will be 17,640 into 10 into 1/2 upon 100. 17,640 into 10 into 1/2 upon 100, which comes as 882. Therefore, for the first half year, the compound interest is 800. For the second half year, the compound interest is For second half year, the compound interest is 840. For the third half year, the compound interest is 882. We have to calculate the amount and the compound interest in 3 years. So, let us first find the amount. Therefore, amount at the end of 1/2 years is equal to principal for third year 17640 plus interest 882. 18,522 rupees. 18,522 rupees. Now the compound interest in 1 whole 1 by 2 years is equal to 18,522 minus 16,000, which comes as 2,522. 2,522 rupees. This compound interest in 1 whole 1 by 2 years can be calculated by one more method, by adding the interest 800, 882 and the second year interest which is at 840. So if we add the interest of first half year, interest of second half year and interest of third half year, the same answer will come. Thank you.